Good day, guys. So when we got this car, there was no fuel pressure regulator, and when we are making the base map for the PnPduino, the AFR is very inconsistent. So now we install this fuel pressure regulator and set it at 52 psi. So now it works perfect, and we can create a better base map for the PnPduino. So some information about the engine. It's a K24A block, RBC head with 50 degrees VDC, RBC manifold, up to 70 millimeters the opening, skunk 2 pro racing 70 millimeters, and a 4 to 1 headers and a 3-inch full exhaust. So that's the full exhaust. Unfortunately, we have to use the stock muffler because of very high expensive fines, and maybe the car might be impounded if it's too loud. We've also installed this Android stereo, which is connected via Bluetooth from the PnPduino ECU, and at the same time, it is also connected to the laptop.